they was never friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out the Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 babies, yeah. But they getting on me legend, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important, but all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah.
Forgot to mention, but there's a part 2 to today. I drove all the way from the north, all the way back down to the middle, just to get one more opportunity to catch up with some friends the day after Christmas. And right now, as you can see, I'm driving up a parking garage. Kind of fun. Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. What's up, dude? Part 2 of the day. I don't think you're ready. Are you ready? I'm not even ready. I had a long drive. I'm ready. Are you kidding me? Look at that. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Am I not ready for this? More action. Got some cool cars left and right. Got respected folks. Oh, even the beast, the UFC, the beast, the winner of the last fight that he had right here, killing it, killing the game. And then we have Trevino showing up. I beat him. I went to Cairo and back, and I still beat him. But the car keeps lining up, keeps getting crazier and crazier. I don't know. He's gonna open the window. He's not gonna open the window. He's gonna open the window. I beat you here. I went up to Cairo.
I thought you weren't going.
And this is how you start the rally, part 2 rally. Line all the cars up for a nice little photo op. Point out right. Thanks, Ali Lodi Life. I'll tag him in the video. He coordinated this group of gentlemen, and I see a lady. Maybe a lady or two, but it looks like a cool bunch. I don't know why this car is sitting off to the side, but either way, lined up, looking pretty. Off to a drive out west, out east, sorry, to the water, and then shutting it down for the day. Maybe get a lift in. I need to get some exercise, but we will give you some B-roll right now. Little montage. Why not little done montage?
Hey, y'all, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm higher, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, yeah. Let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and they do it fast. But oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just wanna buy today. Tell me joy where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right.
I love it. So congrats, Ali, on shifting out the F12 for the 600 LT. You made a good choice. We like the color. It is a awesome car. It's probably faster than the 512, to be honest. Faster than my car, maybe. No, actually we went head-to-head, and it was a short race. A black 600 LT, and I gotta say, I was right there with it. But the cars, Mclarens, man, they're fast. I'm not gonna hold it against you that you'll beat me. But either way, it's not about straight line speed, right? It's about who can run the track the fastest. So let's go. You guys vanished from me. You just like. Is that what it was? I left these guys.
The world.
I finally get to see Barry's 600 LT. That AMG couple. They have brought their new machine with their new wheels, and it looks mighty healthy.
Yeah, possible.
Barry, can I sit in it?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, just lift up.
I want to see how uncomfortable or comfortable
dude,
it
you
is.
can do a road trip. They're awesome.
Oh, really?
No problems.
People tell me they're actually pretty comfortable.
Very comfortable.
My bucket,
You look at me like, hell no. Then you get in it and
It's about the same as my Lambo. Honestly, it is my comfort seats.
Yeah.
This is about the same as the Lambo for sure.
Yeah, no. And one C8, and we're good.
Back in
Probably gonna take 6
a McLaren, always trying to convince myself that this is going to be in the garage one of these days. And I don't know. I like the comfort seat or this seat. Yeah, it's comfortable. Makes me feel like I'll be awesome on the track, taking the corners. This car probably is hella fast. I'll have to ask Barry to give me a ride one of these days.
Alex.
Trying to get out now is the fun part. Ferrari for a Ferrari. 458 replaced with an A12. Not intentional. And then we got Nathan's Unspeakables GT2 RS. This thing is a beaut. Such a fan of this car. And the exhaust is sexy. Alright, we are about to roll out. Squad is ready. We got some of the coolest whips. My favorites are lined up at the front. Alright, we are off! I'm running around doing content. Gonna roll as fast as I can with these peoples. Smells like exhaust. Lots of exhaust in the parking garage. Can you hear that? I think I can hear that. Sounds. Life is good. Hope you guys had happy holidays. This video won't be posted until a little bit later, but still thinking of you. Still hoping the best for everybody that's watching this channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, help me out with this algorithm that I have to beat on YouTube. But all love, always. Till next video, we out.
Racing and it's life. Anything that happened before or after